how to set up a shared Google Calendar. Open up the website and then we want to focus on the left hand side. You will see My Calendars and underneath it you should find Other Calendars. First we will click on the plus sign here and then create a new calendar. The name is going to be Work and the description is also going to be Work. You can set a time zone by selecting it from here, but I will leave it as it is and click on Create Calendar. Now that you have created the calendar, I'll show you how we can make it shared as well. Now, we're gonna go back here and you should be able to see the Work calendar underneath My Calendars. If you click on it, then you can add specific tasks for it. So, for example, here we're going to do meeting and we can go and save it. Now the meeting is going to be for our own calendar currently, but we can edit the event by changing it here for Work. Okay, so just like that, we have updated it for Work. And now what we have to do in order to invite people and make it shared is to click on the three dots next to the Work calendar and then go into Settings and Sharing. Here we want to find Shared With, and you can add people and groups to this calendar. So you can click on it and then add them from email, or you can get a shareable link. So this is going to be the shareable link. You will click on Copy Link. You can send it to people and they will get access to this calendar and they will see the meetings or the events which you have previously set. Hope this video helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.